In our last video, we told you about foods you should be eating to help fight arthritis. Now here is a list of 13 foods you should probably avoid or minimize. Eating the following foods could be making your arthritis worse. This is part 1 of 2. Fried chicken. Fried chicken is bad for you not only because it is deep fried, but also because it's high in salt and fat. When food is fried, it loses its nutritional value and can contain carcinogens. Instead of fried chicken, it's better to opt for grilled chicken. Chinese food. Chinese takeout can be a convenient option for a quick dinner, but it's often high in monosodium glutamate, MSG. MSG is a common additive found in a variety of foods such as deli meats, fast foods, and salad dressings, but it is most commonly associated with Chinese food. It can trigger inflammation and should be avoided by people with arthritis. Pasta. Another white flour product that is problematic for people with arthritis is pasta. Like other refined carbohydrates, it can cause spikes in blood glucose levels, leading to inflammation in the body. However, if you can't give up pasta, there are now many alternative options made from non-white flour available for purchase. Baked goods. Brownies are a beloved baked good in the United States, but they should be avoided by those with arthritis. They often contain trans fats, which are associated with inflammation in the body, and can lead to an increase in bad LDL cholesterol, decrease in good HDL cholesterol, and an increased risk of heart disease. French fries. French fries are generally not considered nutritious for anyone, but they should be particularly avoided by those with arthritis. A study on fried foods found that reducing consumption of them can lead to decreased inflammation and improve the body's natural defenses. Additionally, fried foods contain advanced glycation end products, which are harmful toxins that can damage proteins in the body. Pizza. Pizza is a popular food in the American diet, but it can have negative effects on health, particularly for those with arthritis. The combination of cheese, tomato sauce, bread, and toppings in pizza can cause a significant increase in inflammation. The high amount of saturated fat in pizza and other foods is a major contributor to this as it leads to inflammation in fat tissue, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Sausage. Sausage is high in advanced glycation end products, which are highly processed meats. They are known to increase inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Additionally, research has shown that red meat contains a molecule called Nu-5GC which humans don't naturally produce. When ingested, it has the potential to trigger a chronic inflammatory response in those with arthritis and increase the risk of cancer and heart disease. White rice. Refined carbohydrates can be particularly detrimental for people with arthritis as they are created by removing the bran and germ, which are the most nutrient-rich parts of whole grains. Consuming refined carbs with pro-inflammatory compounds like cytokines can worsen arthritis symptoms. White rice, in particular, can cause a spike in blood sugar because it lacks nutrients. It's recommended that people with arthritis switch to whole grain options in all of their foods, such as cereal, bread, and pasta. Milk. Many experts in nutrition agree that a significant portion of the population have difficulty digesting milk after childhood. The proteins found in milk can cause inflammation in the body. However, not all dairy products have this effect. Dairy products that contain probiotics such as unsweetened Greek yogurt and fermented milk with yeast and bacteria can be beneficial. Milk is typically intended to be consumed by babies and small children who are still growing. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein, but they also contain substances that can worsen arthritis symptoms. Eggs are high in cholesterol and the yolks contain saturated fat. The yolks also contain arachidonic acid, which can produce prostaglandin, leading to inflammation. The yolk is the main source of these problems for people with arthritis, therefore, consuming only egg whites is generally considered safe. It's also important to avoid cooking egg whites with butter or adding salt, cheese, or meat to them. Soda with sugar. Sugar is bad enough on arthritis patients, but sugar-sweetened soda has been found to increase arthritis symptoms. Sugar is a major contributor to inflammation and one of the most common sources of it is soda. A 12-ounce can of Mountain Dew soda, for example, contains 44 grams of sugar, which is well above the recommended daily limit. A study found that consuming just one sugary soda per day increases the risk of arthritis by 63%. Butter. Being overweight or obese increases the likelihood of developing severe forms of arthritis. Foods like butter, which are high in calories and fat, can contribute to a variety of health problems and cause inflammation in the body. This also applies to butter substitutes like margarine, which are made from trans fats and have been linked to inflammation, heart disease, and cancer. Last but not least, red meat. In addition to avoiding fried foods, people with arthritis should also avoid red meats as they contain high levels of advanced glycation end products. Cooking red meat using methods such as grilling, roasting, frying, or broiling can increase inflammation. Although it may be tempting, it's best for one's health to avoid foods such as chicken fried steak and opt for healthier alternatives like chicken and fish that are not fried. Thank you for watching our video. This was part 1. Don't forget to watch part 2. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Share this video with anyone you know to help them avoid arthritis.